Okay, the third topic on this video series on special products is sum and difference of two terms. Then I will write sum and difference of two terms. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? That means if I have a term A plus B, that is the sum because it is plus, and difference is A minus B. I will show you by multiplying first, then we will summarize or give the pattern. Then we have A multiplied by A is A squared. And A multiplied by negative B is negative AB. We have B multiplied by A is also AB, but it is positive. And then we have positive B and multiplied by negative B is negative B squared. As we can see, this will be 0, and then we have A squared minus B squared. So if we have a sum and difference of two terms, then we always have the square of the first term minus the square of the last term. It's always like that. For example, I have 3y plus 2 zeta, and then we have 3y minus 2 zeta. So we have, according to the pattern, then we have the square of the first term, 3y squared minus the square of the last term. So we have 2 zeta squared, and we have 9y squared minus 4 zeta squared. You can use this principle when your teacher asks you to multiply 101 multiplied by 99, for example. Then you can use the sum of two terms, 100 plus 1 multiplied by 100 minus 1. So this is 101, this is 99. Then you can follow what we have just discussed. You have 100 squared minus 1. Then we have 10,000 minus 1. Minus 1 squared, sorry. Then we have 9,999. As we see, as like that. I will give more example. For example, 5e plus 2. And then we have 5e minus 2. And we have 25. 5 times 5 is 25. E squared. And then we have minus 4. And then we have 50 times 48, for example, times. Then you will do that, 50, sorry. That is 52, 52. I will erase that. I will erase everything. 52 multiplied by 48, for example. Then you can express that in 50 plus 2, and then 50 minus 2. Don't get confused when I will change this one. For example, 48 times 52. That is 50 minus 2, and then 50 plus 2. Then these two are equal. They are both. You will get the same answer. It is like this one. You can express this one, 5e minus 2 multiplied by 5e plus 2. Then you will get the same answer as this one. Okay. Then we have 50 squared minus 2 squared. Then we have 2,500 or 2,500s minus 4. Then we have 694 to 2,496. I don't think that I have more to discuss on this topic, but if we can find some of the examples that your book have on this topic, then we can try if we can solve some of them. They got this one. For example, 4y minus 5d, and then we have 4y plus 5d. This is numbers, activity number 6, E. Okay, on page 15. Then we have the first term, 16, y squared, also the first term. 4 times 4 is 16, y squared, minus 25d squared. Let's see some more. Number 4 in the let's practice. 3sd plus 4. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 4f. And then we have 4f minus 3sd. Don't be confused again. I will change the arrangement of this. Always remember that real number is commutative in addition. So ab is equal to b plus a plus b is equal to b plus a. So if I will change the arrangement here now, I will express 4f plus 3sd, and then the last parenthesis will be 4f minus 3sd. Then I have sum and difference of two terms again, or vice versa, like they did here, like I did here. It's also the difference and sum of a binomial, or of two terms. Okay, then we have 4 times 4 is 16, f squared. And then we have 3 times 3 is 9, s squared, because it is a square, the square of the last term. And then we have d squared. I hope you learned something. And the next that I will be discussing, sorry for the sound again, I will just flip this book. The next term and the next video that I'm going to discuss is about cube of a binomial. See you again. Or